Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Instagram account. Okay, so let's suppose you have temporarily disabled your Instagram account, and let's just try to log in. Okay, what you need to do is simply just type in the Instagram username. Okay, and put your password and simply just tap on login, and you can see it's your account that you have actually temporarily disabled. Okay, so it's my account, so I'm just telling you guys. So that's how you do it. It's a very easy and simple thing to do. So I hope you guys understand how you can do this. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.